Overall, actually, we're very pleased with our performance so far, and we've seen that generally we've got a select portfolio across quite a wide range of countries in the region, and overall, yes, we're very pleased with the results. Well, as a company, we're fairly conservative in our approach, so we're always looking for, number one, the right location. This is very critical for us. We are opening new hotels in Jeddah towards the end of next year, and soon after that in Bahrain on the marina. So these are very exciting projects, both new build projects, and will be probably the best locations in both of those cities. And we're very excited about those coming up. We do have plans for some other expansion in the region as well. Not really firm at this point in time, but India is a very important market for us. As I was mentioning, we see the huge growth in the number of Indian guests staying in our hotels all around the world, and traveling and actually asking for us to have hotels in some other regions. So we may look to expand a little bit in India. We have a plan around that also. And also I think we're looking to expand in parts of potentially North Africa. We'll be looking. Nothing firm yet, but we're certainly interested to have a look and see if opportunities come up in that part of the world too. We've seen the announcement, of course, and for us the timing is quite good. We haven't opened yet, so we're just in the stage where we're planning, and we'll be starting to hire certain members of the team. And we're very actually interested in supporting this initiative. I think it's a great, wherever we operate, it's great for us to support hiring as many local people as we can. And a key component for our hotels is actually a training component. We have something called the Shangri-La Academy, which is where we actually go out into the market and will work to generate jobs and opportunities and give the training to support that. So this is actually very exciting for us in Saudi Arabia, and the timing is quite good. We can plan and be ready for that by the time we open. Yes, I think we've seen that this year we've had a strategy in place to somewhat diversify the kind of source markets for business across all of our portfolio, and we've seen that there's been challenges of business, for example, coming from the UK. I think there's been a bit of a softening of overseas travel from the UK market in particular because of perhaps the devaluation of the pound and concerns over Brexit. So we've actually gone after different source markets and had a strategy in place to kind of be ready for that, and that's actually worked very well for us. So we're very happy to see more business coming in from China and from India. These are very important markets for us, and other markets as well. So yes, that's been a good success. I mean, I think the Expo gives an opportunity for us and for Dubai to, of course, share with a very broad audience what they have to offer in this part of the world. So I think that's going to be quite exciting. And I think we have to, as a company, and our hotels in particular, will be sort of creating experiences that will generate interest that lasts well beyond the actual Expo itself. I think that's going to be the most important thing. Well, I think there's a number of exciting things coming up. We're in the process of we've been preparing for quite a long time the launch of a new brand campaign, and this will be launched in the next few weeks, in fact. So there's been quite a lot of build up to that, and this is something around a new, if you like, raising awareness of Shangri-La Group across the globe. I think we're a well-known company, but we always like to kind of consolidate and reinforce that position. So that's a very exciting brand campaign that will be launched, and that's called Where is Your Shangri-La? And the next thing, this year we've also relaunched something, employee engagement survey. So all of our colleagues across all of our hotels this year have again participated in the engagement survey, and we didn't do it last year, so relaunching it this year was a very important milestone for us, and we've had 98% participation. So I think people are excited to share their views and opinions, which is very, very good for us. Absolutely, yes. No, we see it as a very important market for us. We're very keen to expand here. As I said, we'll always be somewhat selective. We're not interested in having, lots of flags across the region, but we definitely want to be in the key locations with some great iconic properties. And no, we're very excited about the future.